Once you have set your services and rates, we can now choose in which locations we're going to be offering services. You will have one basic location here, which is your hometown. However, you can add as many locations as you wish. Simply go to the right top, click Add New, enter location, for example, Los Alamos. New Mexico, there we go. And then you can show in profile. Here you can choose whether your general pricing applies or whether you want to adjust your pricing for this particular location. If you do, you simply click Custom Pricing, and you can change your general fee for the day for guiding or transport, which are the services that you offer. If you offer other services such as accommodation, they will also show here. We shall not enable custom pricing on this one, we simply do Add New. Now, as you will see, I still need to enter the city. There we go. And then the location will be added. As you see here, it is now added here. Approval status is pending because the WeBird team still needs to approve your newly added location. If you wish to remove a location, you simply click Delete. You will be asked for confirmation, and the location will be removed.